Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cannot send messages. MMS messaging needs to be enabled to send this message. Let me tell you that when you try to send the picture through iMessage and it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. From here guys, you have to open the settings. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. So guys, if you are using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data, vice versa. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and look at for the iMessage. So here it is guys, just simply you have to tap on that one. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn off your iMessage at least for the 2 or 3 seconds and turn it on again. And after that, scroll it down. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn this toggle on. Now after that, you have to turn this off and then turn it on again. Once it's done for you guys, just simply have to scroll it on, tap on keep messages, check on forever, scroll it on. So let me show you here guys, you can see here low quality image mode. So guys, if this toggle is turned on, just simply have to turn off this toggle. Because you have selected low quality mode image, maybe that's why it's not working, just simply have to turn this off. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.